Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be creating this flyer design here in Pixellab. So I'm going to be creating this design. So with that being said, let's get started. I've imported all the images, everything like you're seeing here, they're already written already, the designs are placed already, just to keep this video short and simple. So let's get started with that. So let me just turn on the layer for the image. So this is on already. Alright, so you can see that. Just hold on, let me check for the size. Alright, the size is 7153. The size for this is 7153. 7153. So just in case yours is bigger, just reduce the size. 7153. Now to get that the exact size, make sure this maintain ratio is disabled. So if that is disabled, 7153. 7153. Okay, if it doesn't, sometimes it doesn't work exactly. 7153. Okay, this is okay. Then centralize this, position it down a bit. Okay, sorry for the background color. The background color is this. Go to gradient, and select this. So for this first part on my right, the color X code for this is, now to get the color X code, click on this drop icon button here, and then you can copy the color X code here. Copy the color X code, just click on this pencil tool and then edit the color X code, and then you readjust it. Initially it will be here, so you just readjust it a bit, and then do the next for this second gradient. And this is what you're going to choose. This particular gradient is this, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth section. So that's what I'm going to be using. And I just drag this slider to this place. This place is okay, and copy the color code here. So I believe you have done that. Okay, I believe you have done that. Let me import the next image, which is this. So this is here already. Let me see the size for this. The size for this, sorry. The size for this is 6943. 6943. 6943. Let's do that. 6943. Okay, see the same size and position it. Then you can readjust the image. Just put it a little bit, take it up a bit. I want the phone in a hand to be visible, so just take it up a bit. Yeah, okay with that. I think this is also okay with me. Alright, so let's see what's next in the flyer. Okay, this house in the back. Okay, hold on. Alright, so with this, let me take it to the front. The opacity is 6, right? So this is it. I erase the background. So this is what you're going to see. So you just erase the background. Once you go to erase background, then make sure it's enabled. Then once it's enabled, you click this this icon here to erase the background. So we're erasing the white. So just click on this drop icon and move this to the white. So you can see that as erased. So place this to the back. The size of this is 86 153. Just increase the size till you're okay with this actually. So I'll place it to the back, and the opacity is 6. The opacity is 6. Okay, I hope that is locked. Okay, yes, it's locked now. Let's see what's next. Okay, let's start with our text then. Let's start importing our text. Alright. So for this first one is let me use this blur tool. Hold on. Okay. Alright. So this blur tool is on. Now to create this blur effect, you go to a new shape, go to edit, just pick a circle. Alright, I use a triangle for this. Just pick a circle. So once you pick a circle, go to gradient, the first part of the gradient. So once you have gone to gradient, from this top you select this this gradient, the one that has this middle stuff, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth one, the one on the fourth slide. So for the first part of this gradient here, it's transparent. So once you just click on this drop icon again, click on it, and then whatever color that is there, just leave it as it is, and then this slider will be here. So you're going to move it to this left. Make sure it's at the end. Then click OK. Then drag it. This will be here. So just drag it a little bit to this part. So click on the second one, and then the color for this, the color code is this. Color code is this, so you should know how to write the color code. Just click on this pen tool and then write the color code here. Alright, so that's that. Let's see, increase the size. I want it to be okay. Yes, it's okay. On top, then let me place this to the not back but to the back of the car. Okay, yes, the back of the car. Let's duplicate the this blur effect. Duplicate it. Just depending on where you want to place your blur effect. Okay, you can see this stuff at the down part around, because the house that I used is showing, so I'll just place it here and place this to the back, then move it on top of this. Alright, let me copy this again, place it here, okay, place it to the back, move it on top of this, duplicate this again, and just place it here. Okay, place it here and place it to the back, then make sure this is also at the back. This will be at the back. So let's just lock all these layers. So the next thing is this blur, the blur shape here. So what you're going to do is this: create a rectangle shape. It's actually a rectangle shape. Just make sure your rectangle is to go out from the page. Make sure your rectangle goes out from the page. Then go to color. So color, yes, and gradient. Then the first one, you should not do transparent effect now for this first one. So the second one, the color code is this, copy the color code, and then the first one, the color code is this. Okay, that's just for the transparent effect. Just pick any color and then move this slider to the left, and then it will be here. So just drag it a bit to this place. It's okay. This one will be at the end, so you have this effect here. So click on that check mark button, place it here, depending on how you want it. This is okay for me. I'll duplicate it again, then adjust it a little bit to the top, just a little bit. If you're okay with that, if you want to go up a bit, you can still go up a bit, but I'll just leave it here. This is okay for me. I'll just leave it here. Alright, so I'll just log both of them. Alright, let me see what's next for my flyer here. Okay, just the text. So I've imported these two texts. Turned the layer on for these two texts. Okay, for this the font for this is Sarah Pro. The font for this is Sarah Pro. Okay, it's already Sarah Pro Medium. That is the font I use for this. So just click on that and click OK. The same font I use for colors now. Pick white for need A, and pick black for this other text. So for this, the size for this is 30. The size for this, sorry about that, the size for this is 28. So just, it doesn't really matter if you follow the exact the alignment I use there. So just place them a little bit to the left. Alright, I've done that for that. Let's see your choice. Alright, this. Okay, hold on. Let's go to the next thing which we have here. Leaves I promise time is, I think I've deleted it already. Okay, it's still here. It's still here. Okay, this is it again. So just click on this this grid line to get the exact alignment for this, and then pick this and place it here on top of this color, so you can use to measure this other part of your choice. So for this, the first your choice, the font here is Montserrat. Font here is Montserrat. So Montserrat medium, I use Montserrat medium for this. So that is this, and the size for this is 22. So for this also is also Montserrat medium, and the size for this is 20. So once you've done this aspect for the first one, also your alignment is the third one, right. And for this also, let me go back. For this also, it is on the right. So just make sure, in case you're adjusting, just make sure it is like this. Leaves at. Alright, let me still adjust this a bit. Okay. This is okay because of the text background. That's why it is like that. So let me just use this to keep it steady. Alright. And then reposition this. Position this. Okay. Alright, for the text background for this leaves at, your font color is white and your text background is this gradient red. For the first part of the gradient, which is here, the color X code is this. Just copy the color X code and make sure you readjust this a little bit to this place. And for the second one, which is this, copy the color X code here and click OK. Click on OK. Alright, for that, your left padding You can see your left padding is minus 34. Your left padding is minus 34. Your right is 7. Your right is 7. Your right is 7. The top is 1. The bottom is 2. There's no radius for this. Alright, I believe you have done that by now. I believe you have done that. Let me log these layers. Okay, I believe you have done that. Let's see what's next on our flyer. Alright, book us now. Book us now. So I'll just import this and this. Okay, which is here. Here is what I did. This copy this. This round effect. Actually, I don't know the name of this, but make sure the color, once you have used the color, the gradient for this, the gradient will appear in your color section. So you just pick the same gradient for this, which is this. You can see it is here. The first one. Sorry, the first one. The first one. Okay, yeah. There'll be a background in this. Okay, just hold on. Hold on. Let me show you. Erase background. Like I said, I mentioned before, when erasing the background for this. Okay, let me just log this. Yes, this is how it will be. So you erase the background. Once you click on erase background, you click on this this tool here that look like drop icon tool. So move this to black. The background that you want to erase, move this to black. So that's that. You just leave the tolerance and the smooth edge at the same place. Then click on color and pick the gradient color. Pick the gradient color. So that's that for that. So once you pick that, let me just delete this. The size for that is 14. In case you want to get the exact size, make sure you click on this disable this maintain ratio. In case you don't get the exact thing, just leave it 15 14 or 16 14. So for book us now, the font is Montserrat also. The font is Montserrat and the size is 17, the same font you use for. Alright, sorry about this. This has shifted a bit. Okay, yeah, it's okay now. Okay. Because now that is the same font which we used. So this for book us now, the alignment is this middle one. This middle one I used. So once you've done that, just readjust it like this. Okay, readjust it like that. I've given it the size. I think this now shifted a bit. Let me just move it to the left. Sorry, the right. Okay, let's see what's left. Let's see what's left. Alright, our service and air transportation. Let's do that. Our service and air transportation. Air transportation should be at the top. Sorry, to the top. Our service also to the front. Okay, for our service, just go ahead and copy exactly what you're seeing there. Our service. The size for this is 21, and the font is also Montserrat. I use Montserrat for every font here. So you see your font in recent since you have used it before. So choose Montserrat medium back. Click OK, and for that the size for this is 21. This just go ahead and copy everything you are seeing here in this air transportation door-to-door delivery service pickup and drops and turn and distrib. So once you have copied that, the alignment for this is also in the middle, just this middle alignment here. So you can see if you are adjusting that, go back. Then once you have clicked your text would all be in a straight line. So once you have clicked on the middle alignment, just readjust it to the exact thing you are seeing on your screen here. We stop at door-to-door delivery service. So just yours should be like this. Your text background, like I said, the gradient we have used before will appear there. Just click on that. Your left padding is -6, move it to -6. Your right is -7. Your the top is 3, the bottom is 6, and your radius is 11. So just click that and make sure this thing is centralized. Go to relative position and make sure it's centralized in the middle. So let's see what is left. Let's see what's left. Let me place this to the front, redesign to the front. Let's see what's left. Okay, our number and www dots. Our number, which is this and this. Okay, you can just pick any number for this. Actually, I just use my number for that. Okay. So this should be hard for you. Just pick your number, place it the exact way you are seeing it here in this design. The same font is Montserrat. You see your font in your recent font which you have used. Go to recent, so you see Montserrat there because you have used already. Just click on OK. I use the same font for this, and the size for this is 17. They are both 17. So for the www dot, the font is also Montserrat. The size for this is 15. Your text background, the same text background I've using since our red gradient, which will still appear in the front. Your left padding is 2. Your right padding is 2. Your top padding is -1. The bottom is -4. So the bottom is -4 for that. So let's see what's left in this design. Let me place this to the front. I see what's left. Okay, our logo, the logo aspect. So just go to this logo part. I've imported this already. So the same thing, just make sure it's aligned with this your service and stuff. Let's see if it's aligned with this. I'm not sure. Okay, doesn't really matter, sure. So that is that. The size for that is 9:8. You know how to get the other side, like I said, disable this maintain ratio and move your width to 9, this thing, your height to 8. In case you don't, let's see whether to work again in this. Hold on, let me check it out. 9 and 8. Okay, yes, it did. Sometimes if it doesn't work, just move until the shape is okay back. So the shape is just okay. So that's that. I don't think this shape has adjusted. Let me just go back again. Okay, until it gets a perfect circle rather. So I've done that. Let's go to our next thing there, which is the font I use, Aura. Sorry, the name of the brand, Aura. So for that font, your the font name is let me search for it. Yes, that is the name of the font. So I will leave the font and all the images and everything, all the elements I use, in the description box below. So let's go to the next thing which we have on our logo is this shape. This, take a look at the logo, the two shapes you just saw that appeared there. So let me just zoom in. If you want to place your shape, make sure you zoom in. Let me delete the first one. Let me delete this first one. Alright, copy the second one. Okay, for this, okay, I've removed this shape. Let me copy this and place it here. Alright, for this, the size for this is 7 and the height is 1. So once you do that, you just you make use of this grid line again and position this here and the next one there. So just use this to get the exact size. So just move this. Say okay, move this. You should know how to create a shape now. In case you don't know how to create a shape, just make sure all your layers are locked. So then this click on this middle icon here, then you see shapes. So once you click on shapes, because let me zoom out. Alright, so just drag it down like this, move it like this, and I think for this our size was hold on, 7 and 1. So do the same thing for this new shape you just created. Do the same for this new shape you just created. 7 and 1. So that's that. So just position it there on your logo. So that's all for this design. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for staying to the end. So if you have any video you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. So just go ahead and save your file, save as image. So let's click that, click PNG and use Ultra. So save to gallery and then you're good to go.